Hey everyone, this is just a quick video to show you the updates at Pop Century. They have remodeled the rooms. This is our first time staying at one of the new rooms and I'm really excited to check it out, so let's go inside. If you guys have watched any of my other hotel videos, you know it's Mickey to Mickey. And it's open. Oh, look, this is completely different. Oh my gosh. Look, it's wood flooring. Here's the bed, and this pulls out and becomes a bed, I guess. So that's kind of crazy. I wonder, oh, here's instructions right here. Here's the table, and I guess you just pull this down, and that's the bed. And here's a little nook. Oh, this is nice. There's more outlets here. So I guess, oh, I get it. It's a nightstand. That's clever. So when the bed comes out, it's a nightstand. So here is the regular bed. And, oh, this is cute. I don't know what it is, but it's Jiminy Cricket. It seems to me that we have a lot of story yet to tell, Walt Disney. Dreaming is what we do best. Thank you for sharing your dream. Oh my gosh. I don't know if this is new, but I've never seen anything like this before. I think it's so cute. Ah, and there's like a welcome letter. Look at the pillows on this bed. Wow, that looks really cozy for watching TV. And check out the Mickeys. Okay, it's kind of weird because the colors are really 1960s, but I like it. I like the retro vibe. Let there be light. These USB ports are really nice. So you can just plug in your phone cord directly into the wall. The chair, green, very 60s in here. Oh, and there's a phone. I didn't even see it. This is so cool. It's all slim and modern looking. Yeah, overall this is really fun. It's a little sparse. It's kind of strange. It's really weird to get used to, but yet I like the fact that there's not, you know, carpet that's, you know, getting dirty. And let's see what's in here. Oh, there's a safe, more pillows. Ask for extra blankets because as you guys can see, this is just a sheet. So always call and ask for extra blankets if you're the kind of person who gets freezing cold like me. You can hang things up there. And here's the bathroom, and here's me. I've got my red on. I'm just traveling today with my Minnie Mouse stuff and my high-waisted shorts from Zara. I love these shorts. They're kind of wrinkly right now, but they're super cute. Zara has the best shorts, and they look kind of retro too. So let's look in here. Okay, so there's a hairdryer. I like the way this is laid out. It's laid out a lot nicer. There's the ironing board. Like the bathroom's laid out a lot nicer because there's storage there. You can put your things there. There's an actual counter before the sinks just were standalone, and that was really frustrating as a girl to have a lot of makeup and not be able to put it everywhere. Here's the toilet. Shower. Oh, the shower looks much nicer than it used to be. I love the glass doors. I'm pretty sure it was a shower curtain before. I'd have to look at my old vlog because I haven't stayed here for a little bit. Oh, let's look in here. Ah, look at that. H2O Beauty Sea Salt Body Wash. And here's what the shower is like. It's so cool. There are two shower heads and they both have water. And you guys might remember from, oh, and that's detachable too. You guys might remember if you stayed here before that there was hardly any water that would come out of the shower head. So this is great for washing long hair like mine. And here's kind of like a closet space. Now this I don't like because the old closet space was bigger, and I do like to have hanging clothes because I like to do Dapper Day and dresses. I guess it's a trade-off. If you have a lot of folding clothes, that's kind of cool. Here's coming back from the other side. There's the door. There's one of my bags that I set down on the floor. The curtains, and we have a really nice view of the lake in the back. Let me see if I can, you can kind of see it. So there's kind of the woods. The sun's setting right now, but the lake is over there. So it looks like there's a fridge here, which is kind of a cool modern fridge. Oh, how do you open this? On this side. Oh, and it lights up when you open it. I like that it's it has a glass so you can see through, so you can see what you have in there. That's kind of nice. And then, oh, creamers. Oh, Joffrey's coffee. Oh my gosh. You guys probably think that I'm sponsored by them, and I'm totally not. I just love Joffrey's coffee that much. coffee maker. This is pretty much what they have in like most of the rooms. This was in Port Orleans when I stayed there a few months ago. Cups, ice. I also wanted to show you guys the door. It's a sliding door, and I think it was a curtain before, just, yeah, I think that's what it was. But there you go, it reveals the bathroom. And it's kind of nice because it's a heavy door, and so I think it kind of blocks out the sound a little bit, so if someone's trying to sleep and someone's taking a shower, I think it would be much nicer. It definitely blocks out the light, so that'll be a lot nicer if, you know, somebody wants to go to sleep earlier. I think my biggest pet peeve with this room would kind of be the bed, because I think having to pull it down and not being able to use the table is kind of frustrating. You have to choose either or, and I really like to use it because we'll bring our own breakfast. Since I have dietary restrictions, sometimes that's easier, but sometimes I just don't like to, I'm just hungry when I wake up, and I just really want to eat something right away, and I don't want to have to go down to the food court to get food, so that's kind of frustrating, but overall I think I'm gonna like it. So I'll let you guys know. We're gonna be here for a few days, and I'll give you a few updates. Oh, here's Resort TV. There's the castle. I just wanted to show you guys the TV. There's nothing like watching this, and yes, it is actually 12:30 a.m. and oh my gosh, it's gonna be 98 degrees. I'm gonna be going to sleep soon, so I guess today, tomorrow, whichever you want to call it. I could just watch this forever and listen to the beautiful Disney music. I'm all cozy and ready for bed. I'm just testing it out, and I just wanted to tell you guys that the mattress is really comfortable. I thought the mattresses before were comfortable, but I can tell this one's new. It's kind of squishy. I'm liking all these pillows. I got Shelly Mae with me. If you guys have been watching my videos for a while, you might have seen the moment that I picked her out for Mickey's, no, it wasn't Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. It was just at Christmas time a couple years ago, but I adore her, and I've got my Spirit jersey that I got a few months ago. This is pretty cozy. I'm gonna lay all the way down so I can give you guys the full reviews. This is such hard work, you know, for my vlog. I'm just doing this for you guys. Just some relaxing time. I'm exhausted after exploring Toy Story Land. It was so much fun. And I think I'm gonna head to sleep. So I'll show you more of the room later. And until then, good night. Either side, grab the upper top part of the handle and pull bed panel forward. So let's see if we can make that happen. Okay, so hopefully this works. I'm trying it for the first time. Kind of light on camera. I'm not very strong. I have to use all my weight to do this. Oh my god. Okay. Pulling it out. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's Pluto. Look. It's Pluto sleeping. That's adorable. And there's kind of, you know, here's like a headboard. Let's see, is there a light? Oh, there's a light. That's very futuristic. It's fun. Oh my gosh. It does really remind me of the 60s with the color of this wood, and you know, just the coloring here, like the pop art. But this is really fun. I wish that they had done a 50s theme though, since we're in the 50s section, because I feel like I said, the colors have like a 60s vibe. It would be cool if each one were different. From what I understand, this is exactly the same in every single room. And before, it was kind of cool because they had a painting in each room that sort of represented popular Disney things from that time. So the 50s had like a Nat Funicello and like things like that. So I wish that it was themed a little differently in each room, but this is cool. Now you guys see what it's like. Let me try it out. It feels just as comfortable as the other bed too. I like it. Hope you do too. Take a quick walk over here toward the back and you'll be able to see the Skyway Gondola. That's another new thing that will be soon at the Pop Century Resort. Since I did my last video, they hadn't even planned that. They just announced it. So there's some construction going on over here. Oh, it's bright and sunny. This is my favorite walkway back here. Let me see if you guys can see the water. There's Art of Animation over there. And there's some of the construction. I'm not exactly sure how this is gonna work, but I think that this bridge area, yeah, that looks like it's gonna be the landing. Kind of like when you stay at Port Orleans Riverside, or if you go to downtown Disney Springs, I still can't call it the right thing. See those gray things like right there? I think those are going to be the tracks for the gondola. So I guess they'll kind of go up into the sky. If you don't know much about the Gondola Skyway, it's going to go from Art of Animation, Pop Century, Caribbean, and then I think it will connect you to Epcot and Hollywood Studios. I don't think there's another resort. I just think it's those three, and then it'll go to Hollywood Studios and Epcot. And it's going to be these little bucket things that you sit in, and they'll have windows, and so you can look out, and they'll fly you over Walt Disney World and take you straight into the parks. So that's going to be pretty awesome. I mean, you know, you can already go to the parks from the monorails, the boats, the ferry boats, buses, and this will just be a new way to experience the parks, and I think it's going to be really magical, and I can't wait to stay at Pop Century when that's open, although I'm kind of thinking that it's going to be pricier because I think the prices are already going up at Pop Century, and at that point you're kind of like, should you stay at Port Orleans or should you stay here? It kind of, I don't know, we'll see what happens, but Pop Century is a really fun place, and I think I want to stay here when the Skyway opens at some point, or Caribbean, just to experience that. This is our last day. We're checking out right now. I can confirm that the beds are really, really comfortable. We love the new room layout overall. I think that probably the biggest complaint is the fact that the bed comes out and you have to choose to either use the table or the bed. That's a little bit of a pain, as I mentioned before. I can confirm I didn't like that as well, but I liked everything else. I like the hardwood floors, I like the shower. It's really great, and I hope you enjoyed seeing these updates. I can't wait for the gondola and Skyway to be up. Be sure to join my royal family and subscribe below and click that bell for the alerts so you'll know whenever my videos are posted. I would love to have you along for this fun journey of adventures and Disney magic. And until next time, you can hang out with me on Tumblr, Twitter, and Instagram. I'll see you real soon. Bye!